Hi guys, have you been thinking of working in Europe? Are you tired of trying to look for jobs but you cannot get in Europe? Portugal has made a way for you to job hunt legally with no worries of the status of your visa. So Portugal introduced Job Seekers Visa in October of 2022, and people have been using it to immigrate to Europe, specifically Portugal, to look for a job. These visas it allows non-EU citizen or non-EU national to enter and stay in Portugal for 180 days to look for work. So at the end of this video, you're going to learn on why Portugal Job Seekers Visas is important, eligibility requirements, documents needed, how to apply, tips for success, and common mistakes to avoid while doing the process. So guys, subscribe, like, share, and let's get into today's video. So guys, I've written down some important notes on the whole job seekers visas. So because I really need to go into details and explain everything that you guys need to know. So the first point I said is why Portugal job seekers visa is important. So Portugal job seekers visa allow non-EU citizen to enter and stay in Portugal. For example, as Kenyans, Ugandans, Nigerians, and others who are non-EU citizen can do that. So as long as you are 18 years and above, and you have no criminal records, because they require you to have police clearance or good conduct, depending on how you call it in your country. And then you have proof of fund. That is, you are able to apply for the visa by yourself, pay for the visa, pay for your tickets, have pocket money when you get there, because nobody is hosting you. Nobody who is you're going to find in Portugal waiting for you to help you with where to live and all that. So you need to have um, enough fund. You have to prove that you have enough fund to go and work in Portugal. Okay, so the other point is the documents required. So they are the basic ones. We have the passport. You need to have a passport. You need to have a recent passport size photo, two of them with white background. You also need proof of accommodation. So you'll need to do some hotel bookings prior to you submitting your visa applications. Actually, when you're going to submit your visa application, you will need to carry the hotel bookings. You can do that at booking.com or any other hotel booking sites. The other requirement is travel insurance. You need a travel insurance that will cover the 180 days that you'll be there looking for a job. Okay, so you are leaving from your home country with a visa of 120 days, which is extendable to 60 days. So total is 180 days. So you will need a travel insurance that covers the whole 180 days. You also need hotel bookings that cover the whole 180 days. So when you go to like booking.com and you cannot be able to book the 180 days because it's hard, you can do the first one and then another hotel. Okay, after like you divide it into two, the first the first few days, and then the other days. The other requirement is return flight ticket. Okay, you need to have a returned flight ticket. Proof of financial means, that's around 2,000 to 3,000 euros. That's what you need in your account. Okay, that is your bank statement. We have talked about criminal record certificate. You'll need to carry your good conduct or police clearance, depending on where on where you come from. Number two is who can apply. So this job seekers visa, Portugal job seekers visas, it was introduced for non-EU nationals. Okay, so if you're not from the EU, you're eligible to apply for. So guys, before I forget, you'll also need a letter of intent. You need to write a letter to the consulate or to the embassy, or yeah, to the embassy or the consulate on why you want to go and look for a job in Portugal. It's really important, so include it on the documents needed. So the other point is how to apply. So I'm going to leave a link on the Portugal website where you can do the application, but you need to fill the national, like a visa application form type D, upload the documents that they need. If you're from Kenya, we have a consulate here in Nairobi, but they don't offer this kind of visa. So the nearest consulate where you can get the job seekers visa type D is it's in Maputo, Mozambique. So Kenyans, you have to travel to Mozambique to apply for your visa. We don't need a visa to enter Mozambique, so it's a bit easier. You just need to fill in the visa application form, book for your dates. You don't need to pay prior. You pay at the day that you're going to be submitting, but you need to book for an visa appointment date. So when you do that, you also need to prepare your documents and then travel to Mozambique, submit your application. For us, you need to request them to give you your passport back for you to be able to travel back to Kenya, and then now you can send your passport back to Maputo via DHL. So the visa is not expensive. It's around 13 to 14 to 15,000. It's 90 euros actually. So it depends with your currency and the exchange rate at the moment you are you're applying. So after you do the application, you're going to wait until when the visa will be approved. They're going to email you, ask you to send a confirmed travel ticket to Portugal. Do that, and then they are going to release your passport and send it back to your home country if you're from Kenya. If you're from any other non-EU country, it depends on where you're applying for. If you're applying from your home country, well and good, it's even more cheaper, because for us we have to pay for tickets to go to Maputo and back. So after you get your visa, you're going to travel to Portugal. After you arrive, you need to look for a job. So you can be working while looking for these jobs, okay? And immediately you get your job, a permanent job, you're going to now apply for your residence permit. So I'm going to give you some tips and warning, because I know we like shortcuts and we don't like struggling and all that, but because this is already easy for us, so it's always good for you to make sure that you don't mess, you don't do things in the wrong way. So number one, don't carry fake hotel bookings. I've told you you can go to booking.com. It's the easiest. Go book for the hotel. It's 180 days. I know you need to book up to 90 days, so you can do 90 and then 90 in another hotel depending, okay? But have legit hotel bookings. The other thing is your what do you call it? It is your insurance. Make sure you have a legit one. I think we have like they have not sponsored me, but I'm just giving you tips. If you're from Kenya, CIC have like the best rates so far. I think it's around 10,000 Kenya shillings thereabout. They are going to insure you for 180 days. Make sure also you have proof of fund, your bank statement. Don't do what people like doing, okay? Because you can start building. They just need a 6 months bank statement, and you need to have at least 2,000 to 3,000 euros in your account. That's around 400k up in your account, and you're good to go, okay? By the time you're going to submit, you need to have that money in your account, and that helps you to have a better chance of getting that visa, because using fake hotel bookings, bank statement, insurance might make your chances of, or might ruin your chances of getting the visa. So if you'd love me to help you with the process, I do that at a fee. I'm going to leave a link on how you can reach out to me. And this process is free of charge if you're applying it, if you're doing it by yourself. you can plan. As of now, as I'm doing this video, I think the available dates are from December, so that means a lot of people are applying for this job seekers visa. If you go to the website right now, you'll find the available dates to go and apply for the visa in Maputo is in December, and maybe by next month the available dates would be in January and thereabout. So it also give you enough time to prepare for your bank statement, to prepare yourself, to have enough money for your ticket to Maputo and back, for your ticket to Portugal, for your pocket money. And I think it's one of the easiest way to get to Europe legally, to get to Europe and work legally, because there's nothing good like moving or immigrating to a country and having the right documents. You don't have to always keep looking at your back, not knowing what will happen next. So guys, if it's your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure that you like, comment, share this video to those people that you feel that they need it. And let me see you in our next one. Bye bye.